ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಹ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಟರ್, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್.
I never thought that from singing Ganesha's song in Saregama, like I sang Ani Sutide for the first round, and singing a song for his movie is like a dream come true moment for me, because when in 2021 there is a story behind this. In 2021 I got a show in Bangalore, and the client was a huge fan of Ganesh sir. So after that, after like knowing that, I searched on YouTube, and Ani Sutide was one of the top trending song. So I learned that song and performed. It went really well. And coming to 2023, as soon as I got to know that Arjun sir is the judge of Saregama, so my excitement level was on peak. I wanted to participate in that show, so I participated, and this was the first song I sang in Saregama. So from 2021 only, like I used to listen to Arjun Janya sir's all the songs. Through this project, like two things came as a single project, like singing Ganesha's first song, and to singing his song for his movie, and to work with Arjun Janya sir, my dreams came true. So I'm really grateful to everyone, and the best part is I came as Jaskaran Singh in Karnataka, so I can proudly say this. Now I'm just Kannada. Like, people gave me this name, and I proudly say this. I'm just Kannada. Thank you.
That's so sweet. ಜಸ್ಕರಣ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾಡು ಹಂಬಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಕರಣ್. ಓವರ್ ಟು ಯು. ಫುಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು, ನನಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಹೌದು. ಯಾ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes.